The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minneapolis Police Department, a robotics team, and the godforsaken bird on fire again. There is a random assortment of gears and wires flinging rust from its compartments at some people nearby. Those that are affected by the rust have gotten tetanus, which isn't all that surprising, to be honest. The rust is obviously brown, and has the ability to give you tetanus. If you have your tetanus shots, congratulations. If you are unvaccinated, go get your damn shots or get tetanus. I don't care either way. Anyways, the machine is standing in place, just basically flinging it at others because God knows why. The Minneapolis Police Department is currently attempting to dismantle the wires and use it for something more worth its purpose. Whoever made this contraption deserves a nice bashing with sticks. The police are attempting to shoot the machine, but are missing horribly and hitting the bystanders. Good job on hitting those families. Anyways, that bird is back again, so I'm grabbing my net, a hummingbird, and a gun. I'll see you all once I finish my feast. Good luck, folks.